In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to create email design in Klaviyo. Let's start right from the Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're in, head to the left-hand menu and open the Content section. This is where all of your creative assets live. From there, go into Templates to see the library of designs you've already saved and to build something new. At the top right, click Create. Klaviyo will ask you to choose a channel. You'll see options like email and WhatsApp. Both are powerful in their own ways, but for this walkthrough, we're focusing on email design. Feel free to explore the WhatsApp option if you're curious, but we'll proceed with email for now so we can draft a polished, on-brand message. Next, give your template a clear, descriptive name. A good naming convention helps you find designs later and keeps your workspace tidy. Think of something that reflects the campaign, audience, or purpose. When you're ready, click Create to open the editor. Inside the email editor, look for Draft with AI. This is where Klaviyo's AI gets to work. You'll see a panel introducing Klaviyo AI with a quick overview of what it can do. It highlights 3 areas that can speed up your workflow and improve results. First is Segments AI. If you're planning who should receive your message, you can quickly create new segments just by typing who you want included. For example, you might describe recent purchasers, highly engaged subscribers, or people interested in a specific category. AI translates that into a usable segment definition, saving time and helping you be more precise. Next is Email AI, which is our focus for design. Simply describe what you want to create, and Klaviyo will generate an on-brand email section. Be specific about the goal, the tone, and any key details like product types, offers, or calls to action. The more context you give, the better the result. You can then tweak layout, imagery, and copy to align perfectly with your brand voice. Finally, there's Flows AI. If you're thinking beyond a single message, you can generate automated flows from a simple written description. For example, a welcome series or an abandoned cart sequence can be drafted in minutes, which you can refine afterward. If you see an Upgrade Now prompt, click it to unlock these AI capabilities in your account. Review the plan options to ensure they match your needs, and then return to your template to continue building. With that, you've set up your template, explored AI drafting, and positioned yourself to design emails faster without sacrificing quality.